Personal finance feels complicated on purpose, but most of that complexity is just noise designed to keep you confused, overwhelmed, and inactive. The more options you see, the more you feel like you need to choose perfectly, and that fear of making the wrong move often leads to doing nothing at all. But investing is not a prediction game. It is a participation system in global economic growth that happens whether you guess correctly or not. The solution is not more knowledge or more strategies, but fewer decisions repeated consistently over a long period of time. The three-fund portfolio reduces the entire market into just three simple building blocks that cover almost everything important. The first fund represents the entire local stock market, giving you ownership of thousands of companies at once through one simple choice. The second fund spreads your ownership across global markets outside your own country, reducing dependence on any single economy. The third fund adds stability by balancing volatility with safer assets like bonds that smooth out market swings over time. Together, these three funds quietly and efficiently cover almost everything that actually matters in long-term investing. Most investors lose not because the market fails them, but because they constantly change their strategy in response to fear or excitement. Fees and complexity silently reduce long-term returns more than most people realize, often without obvious warning signs. The three-fund system minimizes cost, emotion, and decision fatigue at the same time, creating a system that runs almost on autopilot. Instead of reacting to markets, you simply invest regularly, stay consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting for you. Over time, consistency becomes more powerful than any attempt to predict the future or outsmart unpredictable movements. The real goal is not to outsmart the market, but to remove yourself from unnecessary decisions so wealth can build without constant effort.